Hey guys, Jason Guyman here, and I was just going to show you I am doing a channel all about Christmas lights. That's right, all about Christmas lights. It will be anything that does with Christmas lights. I will show you how to build a business and some of that. I'm going to show you displays. I'm going to show all things about Christmas. Maybe how to make Christmas light cookies, the whole 9 yards. But there will be a lot about how to hang Christmas lights, how to design and put up lights on your own home, whether you're a homeowner, where you can get all the stuff that you need, and everything like that. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to grow it. It's starting from zero. Also with the month of October, from October 10th through November 10th, I'm going to do a video day. One video per day. And it'll all be about Christmas lights. And like I say, it can be, and I may go longer than that and go all the way up to Christmas this year. And then I'll probably cut back a little bit during the rest of the year, but I'm trying to get as much content as I can up on this channel. So like I say, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I'm asking for. I'm trying to grow it. Thank you and have a Merry, Merry Christmas.